Hi, my name is John, and I am a mycologist and a horticultural scientist. After getting, into culinary art school and in nutritional health science, I looked into microbiology in the state of Colorado as well. So I started taking those classes. Over time, just fell in love with microbiology and the facet of mycology. That was part of it. And I enlisted into the United States Navy and served 7 years proudly into our Navy combat system. And I did experience a lot of things that I wasn't prepared for, but also was trained for. So I did experience some injuries, and during combat, I definitely found out that it was not the lifestyle for me anymore. With my injuries and mental and physical, they were prescribing me every pill known to man. The VA had, I guess, me in their best interest, but didn't seem to be. The pharmaceutical has other plans for us to just put a patch on it and not help us. So with understanding that mental capability and just being pumped full of pain pills because of my injuries, it just caused more problems. And I took the knowledge I invested in highly and used it and put it to work and grew my own medicine instead of providing or sustaining it from the pharmaceutical companies. They were not helping me at all.